All right, hope everybody's doing well. Do you remember that little pallet roll-around deal I had for the Honda EU2000 generator? Check this out. I just got this little suitcase roll-around deal. It has 4 wheels on it, and I cargo strapped it in place there. Check it out. Little pull handle right here. Ka-dunk. If you want to roll it, you just roll it. See there? Set it down. Storage like that. And cover will likely go over the whole thing right there. So there you have it. The only thing I don't like is with this little cargo strap here, it's kind of bending this a little bit. I have to come up and fabricate something on there. Get that, but it's good and tight. Look at that. There you have it. So now you can just roll this thing around. Store it down there like that. Good to go. That's your Honda EU2000 suitcase roller dealy whacker. Alright, so the cover fits over everything. Check that out. Put it on the handle right here. Little Velcro deal right there. Keep it all nice and secure. Push it down right there like that. For stowage. Good to go. Nifty, huh?